Good day, my people. This is Penzazo Travels. In the do-it-yourself, DIY people, alpha, our market. Don't give agent money. Don't you can do it yourself. Alpha now. How many of you notice that the campaign for do-it-yourself, DIY, have drastically reduced? So what is happening? Do you think there are no good agents out there? There are many good agents out there. There are some countries you can do yourself. Well, it's okay. Like mostly these visa-free countries, visa arrival countries. It's good you do it yourself. Also, countries that their immigration process is just straightforward. But no be country where there are things they corner. You need agents to put you through. E get some things wey dem go write for paper for their side. When you reach the day wey you wan submit, they go tell you say you never bring this one, you never bring that one, you never bring this one. But do it yourself campaign manager, do it yourself instructor, they no go tell you. And there's something you people don't know. Do it yourself. Na money dey find. They still dey find your money. When they give you half information online, at the end of the day, they will tell you to buy book or join master class for them to teach you well. So I'm not actually saying you cannot do it yourself, but experience will teach you better. Experience is the best teacher. When you shop rejection, wetin no good, you go know where agents dey. You understand? There's a reason why agents are existing. You understand my point? Even when you dey fill visa form, they go still ask you, are you doing it yourself? Or a representative is assisting you. Baba, you need representative. Do it yourself. When you read that book finish, the time wey they write the book fit be last year, 2024, or last 2 years. Fit be last 2 years, 2024, or last year, 2025. Meanwhile, we dey 2026, January, embassy don make changes, and you are still running with the information of 2024. You know, say you don enter one chance. So if you want to travel, me, I be travel consultant. No carry my job give another person. You understand? This Penzazo Travels, I dey active for anything what I dey do. You understand? And if you go check my website, evidence boku. You understand? So if you don't do it yourself before, you no get am clear, your journey no smooth. Contact Penzazo Travel, make we analyze your problem, make we know the actual damage you have done to yourself, and see a way we can repair it for you. This is Penzazo Travels. I love you all.